Good day. Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a form of social media marketing involving endorsements and product mentions from individuals who have a dedicated social following and are viewed as experts within their niche. These influencers can significantly impact their followers' purchasing decisions. Here's a deeper dive. What is influencer marketing? 1. Leveraging influence. It's about tapping into the established audience and credibility of influencers to promote your brand. 2. Authentic connection. The goal is to create authentic connections between your brand and the influencer's audience. 3. Targeted reach. Influencers often have highly targeted audiences, allowing you to reach specific demographics and interests. Key components. 1. Identifying influencers. Finding influencers whose audience aligns with your target market. Assessing their credibility, engagement, and reach. 2. Building relationships. Establishing genuine connections with influencers. Understanding their audience and content style. 3. Creating content. Collaborating with influencers to create authentic and engaging content. Ensuring the content aligns with your brand message. 4. Measuring results. Tracking key metrics such as reach, engagement, and conversions. Analyzing the ROI of your influencer marketing campaigns. Types of influencers. 1. Mega influencers, celebrities and public figures with millions of followers. 2. Macro influencers, influencers with a large following, 100,000 to 1 million followers. 3. Micro influencers, influencers with a smaller, more engaged following, 10,000 to 100,000 followers. 4. Nano influencers, influencers with a very small, but highly engaged, following, 1,000 to 10,000 followers. Benefits of influencer marketing. 1. Increased brand awareness, reaching a wider and more targeted audience. 2. Enhanced credibility, building trust through influencer endorsements. 3. Improved engagement, driving higher engagement rates than traditional advertising. 4. Targeted reach, reaching specific demographics and interests. 5. Increased sales, driving conversions and generating leads. 6. Authentic content, creating genuine and relatable content. Key considerations. 1. Authenticity, ensure the influencer's values align with your brand. 2. Transparency, disclose sponsored content to comply with regulations. 3. Relevance, choose influencers whose audience matches your target market. 4. Engagement, focus on influencers with high engagement rates, not just large followings. 5. Measurement, track key metrics to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. So, influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for building brand awareness and driving sales. However, it's essential to approach it strategically and ethically. Okay. Now go, check out my other contents. Scarecrow out. Peace.